The new PSO Split and the PSO Split Planner come with bonus elements that will help you customize your pages. To access these, tap on the Extras icon, which looks like this, and is available in both the organizer and the planner of the Split collection. This link takes you to a folder in Dropbox. You do not need to have a Dropbox account to access this folder. If you do not want to use Dropbox, when this window pops, tap on the small link icon at the top right corner and click on Copy Link. Now, open your Safari browser and paste the link to navigate to the page. Now you are able to access the contents of the folder. You can see that there are different types of files available. The first thing I recommend you do is to save these to a safe location. This can simply be the app files, where items are automatically saved when downloaded on iPad, or you can choose to save somewhere else like Google Drive, an external hard drive, etc. To download, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of each file and click on Download. It will ask once again to sign in, but you can tap at the bottom here where it says Continue with Download Only and click Download one more time. Each file will be saved to your Downloads folder in the Files app. To access a file you have downloaded, you can tap right here on the little arrow and click on the item to open the app Files, or you can manually open Files, head to your Download section, and here you'll see all of the downloaded items. Next, let's talk about the type of files you will find. Folders. You can tap on a folder to load its contents and use them individually. But if you prefer, you may also save the whole folder by tapping on it and then tapping on Download. This will save the folder as a compressed file to your Downloads folder. To use the elements of the folder, head to the Files app, locate the Download section, and tap on the item. This will decompress the folder and give you access to the elements it contains. Goodnotes files. Usually, if there is a file that comes in Goodnotes format, you will also see another non-Goodnotes file that will be compatible with other apps. So, if you see two files labeled the same, just check what's the extension in the end of the name to know which is the one you need. For example here, these three files have a similar name. That means that the one ending in .goodnotes is for Goodnotes, and the other two are the same elements, but they may be used in other note-taking apps. If you are using the app Goodnotes, then select the Goodnotes version, and you first have to download the file, then tap to open a preview, find the share or export icon and choose Open in Goodnotes. Choose Import as a new document, and the file will load and is now ready to use. PDFs. You are probably already familiar with PDFs since the planner and/or organizer that you are using is a PDF file. After downloading, this type of file can be sent straight into your note-taking app. To do that, first tap on the file to open it, and now locate the Share or Export icon and select Open in whichever note-taking app you are using. Image files or PNGs. This is usually planner covers or transparent inserts. These are the most straightforward type of files since you will be able to see a miniature of what the item is. You can open it to tap and drag directly from here onto your planner pages. For this type of image files, I recommend you store them in the app Files or load them into the Stixer app, because Camera Raw might add a white background to transparent images, which makes them unusable on a digital planner. The items in this bonus folder might change or be removed at any time without notice. This is why I highly recommend that the first thing you do is download and store everything so you can go back and retrieve anything you might need in the future. Thank you so much for trying the Split collection, and I hope you enjoy!